Welcome to the 3-day Gut Health Jumpstart. We are thrilled to have you embark on this transformative journey toward a healthier gut and overall well-being.
My name is Matha Fox. I'm the author of the Gut Health book on Amazon, From Pain to Victory. My passion for gut health started when I got seriously sick with stomach pain. Contrary to my doctor's advice, I began to experiment with food therapy on myself. I refused surgery and decided to change my diet, and it worked. The sleepless nights, mind blur, stomach pain, and loss of energy became a thing of the past. Changing my diet improved my gut health. It boosted my energy levels, which allows me to take long nature walks. Most importantly, my sleep has improved and I have achieved mind clarity, which allows me to pursue the things I love.
Over the next 3 days, you will be guided through a series of steps and activities designed to meet, rejuvenate, and revitalize your digestive system. You will also enjoy delicious recipes that will nourish your body with gut-friendly recipes that are easy to prepare and incredibly tasty. You will also get support and community by joining a community of like-minded individuals on the same journey. In our community, you can share your progress, ask questions, and stay motivated. I will share the link with you. Don't forget to check your email and be sure to whitelist our email to ensure you don't miss any vital information. Here are the possible benefits of the 3-day Gut Health Jumpstart. 1. Improved digestion, which can help to reduce bloating and enhance nutrition absorption. Next, increased energy levels, enhanced immune function, better mood and mental clarity, and sustainable healthy habits. And lastly, the next step for you is very critical. Download your food list and start your grocery shopping and meal preparation today. You've got this. And we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started.